Hi students, myself Sandeep. I will teach you GK in class 2nd. So we'll start our second term, first chapter. According to your old book, this chapter is 3, but according to your second term, this chapter number 3, useful trees. Students, don't be confused if you have old book. Everything is same, question answers, exercise, activity, all everything is same. So don't be confused if chapter number is 13 here. We'll start as the name of this chapter is useful trees. We know trees are very useful for our environment. We are getting fresh air from the trees. We are getting oxygen from the trees, from the plants. Some plants are used as a medicine. Okay, these are called medicinal plant. And early we were taking medicine, we were doing the treatment with the help of the medicine, and this medicine we were getting from trees. So trees are very useful for our health, for our environment. We will discuss in this chapter trees which are using in our daily life, which is helping in our life. So we start. Plants and trees are very useful for us. They give us food, okay, shelter, wood, medicine, and many other useful things. Okay, we are getting food from trees also, like fruit we are getting from trees. Then shelter, if in these days outside there is a sunny weather, and when you are feeling hot, you can sit and stand under the tree, then you will get relaxation. And under the tree, air is also fresh, air is also cool, and you will get fresh when you sit or stand under the tree in this weather. So trees also use as a shelter. Then wood, all the wood we are getting from trees, means to say when we are making furniture, home, doors, home, and all the wood we are getting from tree. So these trees are very useful. And medicine, we know that when we are having sick, we are taking medicine, and early we were taking medicine with the help of the plants, and this medicine is using for cure our disease. Here are some trees, and we discuss what we get from the tree, how these trees are useful in our daily life. We make sugar from dash plant. We know sugar is, for making tea we need sugar, and sugar we get from sugar cane. It is one kind of plant that is called sugar cane. We make paper from dash tree. We know we are using paper in the class, when we are going anywhere, we have to write something, we need paper. From where we get this paper? We get this tree, we get this paper from tree. Okay, this tree is very useful because we are getting tree. But student, in some banks, in some organization, it is given that use less paper. So that is why digital platform is given to you, digital things is given, that we have to use less paper. China was the first country which introduced paper currency plus printing book. Once again I am telling, China was the first country which introduced first paper currency and printing book. So means to say, early they have prepared, before we were using for writing the things leaves. Early we were using for writing the things leaves. In the old time we were using trees, but nowadays we are getting paper from these plants. Means to say, early we were using plants also, and nowadays we are also using plant as a paper. Okay, so next, we make chocolate from dash tree, kova. Everyone want to take chocolate in their life, so we get chocolate from kova tree. We make strings of dash tree as a teeth cleaner, that is neem. Neem is very helpful for our body, especially for our mouth, and it is we are using for neem is using as a neem is using for making soap also. Means to say, when you are bathing, if you are taking this neem leaf or neem soap, it will be good for our skin. Next, we make hair oil from dash plant. It is called coconut. Okay, coconut is used as a coconut oil is used for hair, and we can use this oil for making vegetables in our kitchen. We are using, some states are like this, they are using coconut oil. In our Punjab we are using another mustard oil, but some states are like this, especially south side, they are using coconut oil in kitchen and for making medicine. And we use fiber of dash plant of fabric, that is cotton. Cotton is one kind of small tree, and we are getting this from cotton plant. Next, last we get wood from dash, that is bamboo tree. From bamboo tree we are getting wood. Students, there are some these question will ask from same it is, but some extra questions you have to also write on your notebook. I am writing on the blackboard. Student, these are the extra question which we can ask. First, write 5 useful plant and trees. You have to write 5 useful plants and trees. Any 5 you can write which you think it is easy for us. And next question will be what we get from trees and plants. Whatever I discuss in the video, you have to write what do we get from trees and plant. Last question, did you know it is given scent is made from the flowers of rose. So they can ask one question also, from which flower we get scent. So you have to write this question answer on your book, and if you have any query you can ask in comment box. Thank you for watching this video.